I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 86 of building the Batmobile, the last one in this pack, in this delivery. In this one, we are, well, continuing the firewall, basically. After looking at what happened on March the 2nd, 1967, in episode 86. In the previous episode, the crooked stamp dealer, Colonel Gum, fed the Green Hornet and his assistant Kate into the enlarged perforating quilling machine. Worse, Batman and Robin cannot save them. They're glued to an undetachable glue pad. Oh no, how did they possibly get away? This is the one where Batman and the Green Hornet almost become friends. Okay, interesting stuff. Yeah, the challenge of Calendar Man. Wonder why that's not Batman. I thought that was Batman dressed up as a flower, but it's not. Okay. Calendar Man. Costume suggests the heat of the summer sun. Oh, that must be Calendar Man dresses up in each season or, calendar event. Interesting. Blackest Night Batman. Very strange Batman there. And the Red Hood. Red Hood was to do with Arrow, wasn't it? I don't know they're the same universe, but there you go. There we go. That's that. So the car parts in this phase, we're building the power steering pump for the Batmobile. We've got a big tube, a couple of little tubes, and other stuff to do. So yeah, we've got to build the power steering pump, put that together, fit that to the firewall with a screw, 2 radiator panels to attach with screws, and then the tubes to attach without screws. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it done. Right, so the power steering pump is assembled fairly simply. We've got these 2 bits to attach to it. That one goes in there like that, and that one goes in there like that. Then we've got our little tube goes onto that, and our slightly bigger tube goes onto that, and then that needs to attach with a screw. Let's get all of those out. Going to need 4 to attach those, and 1 more, a couple of spares as ever. So this one is going to attach onto there. Has a little notch, so it'll only go one way round. So there we go. That's that. These 2 are both the same, but the bobs have got to go at the top. So that's where we're going to be attaching the tubes. So that one on that side with 2 screws to hold that together. Let's get both done. Might as well. I did think, should I do them both now, or shall I wait and see? Do one behind the scenes, but I might as well do it now. We've had a couple of very short videos, so we might as well make this one an extra 30 seconds longer, shall we? So that one goes on that side. The other one, obviously, goes over the other side. And I think that fully populates our firewall. And we've already built the engine, haven't we? So we've obviously got to connect these tubes to a thing. The tubes are my least favourite part of building these engines. It worries me very little, because I know that I'm unlikely to ever open the hood, the bonnet on these, and see any of them. And even if I did, I wouldn't know that they were going the wrong places or anything, so it doesn't worry me in the slightest. But it worries me a little bit, because I always like these things to be right. But yeah, not too much. So we need to cut the big tube into sections. So let's see what we have. We need to take the long hose and cut it into 4 pieces, one of 70 millimeters. which is just there. Got 70. One of 100, which is just there. One of 75, which is there. And then that leaves us with 95, which this is much longer than that. So let's cut the end of that off. Don't need that bit. There we go. Right, so we're starting on this side. The first hose goes to the pin on the top left of the radiator. That says 9575. So that's not what it is. $70, top left of that one. Okay. So that one over there. Then the 100 over there. On there like that. Then the 75 there. And the 95 on there. No idea where these are going to attach. We've got tubes already coming from the engine that aren't actually attached anywhere. So, yeah, not entirely certain. But that is that. That is the firewall. Yeah, nothing else on there. We've got place for a tube to attach on there. And obviously another bit to attach onto that one. And we've got that doesn't go anywhere yet. So, yeah, we'll figure that out when we get it all attached. So, for now, that's that. I shall put it away. Until next time. So thank you very much for watching. See you next for some other part works. But for now, bye-bye for now.